Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about music and entertainment, a topic that's perfect for making connections, sharing passions, and showing personality in conversation. Music is deeply personal, and talking about it means talking about yourself. You might open with, "I'm really into jazz at the moment, I find it really relaxing after work." Or, "I go through phases, right now I'm listening to a lot of folk music." The phrase "go through phases" means your taste changes over time. Let's explore some key vocabulary. A genre is a style or category of music. Common genres include pop, rock, jazz, classical, hip-hop, R&B, soul, electronic, folk, and country. Each has its own sound, culture, and vocabulary. You might say, "I like a lot of genres, but indie rock is probably closest to my heart." Describing music well makes for interesting conversation. You might say a piece is haunting, it stays with you long after you've heard it, or upbeat, energetic, and cheerful, or melancholic, making you feel a kind of beautiful sadness. Or catchy, a tune that gets stuck in your head. When talking about artists, you might say, "She has an incredible voice, her range is extraordinary." Or, "His guitar playing is just phenomenal, technically perfect, but emotional too." Or, "The lyrics are so poetic, I feel like every song tells a story." Live music has its own vocabulary. A gig is a casual, informal performance, usually in a smaller venue. A concert is more formal. A festival is a multi-day outdoor event with many artists. The support act performs before the main artist, and an encore is an extra song performed after the main set because the crowd demands it. Today, we covered genres, descriptive vocabulary, talking about artists, and live music. Music is a universal language, and talking about it in English opens new conversations. See you next time.